Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This isn't going to be like a normal vlog. I just wanted to come in here and have a little chat with you because I want to ignore, as you can probably tell, this is the aftermath of decluttering all of this. I still need to finish tidying up, and then I've got like 2 massive bags of palettes for me to take to work with me tomorrow because I worked from home today because I had my smear test, my second ever one, and one of the reasons that I wanted to come on my camera today is to push that if you haven't yet, if you are somebody like me who put it off, booking appointments, hate ringing to book appointments, blah blah blah, let's be serious. If we wanted to get our lashes and our nails done before we went on holiday, we would make the appointment. Book your smear. Book your smear. I promise it's not as like scary. I actually was really quite like anxious for it this time, which I don't get why because I've already had it done before, but I had it done obviously like I think it was like when she pulled up in the system, it was like 2021, because I remember it was like before lockdown. My hair's really annoying me. Before lockdown happened, I've literally washed my hair today, but do you know when you just don't really dry it properly, like you dry it but you don't really dry it, style it, it's just a bit fluffy. But the reason that I wanted to come on is say hello, hi, because a lot of yous that I've been watching the August Declutter, because I have gained quite a few new subscribers, which is really exciting. Hello, welcome. I just want to show my face because if you haven't watched any of my old videos, I'm just conscious that you've not seen my face for a full month and just heard my voice. So hello, hi. I don't normally wear my glasses in content for this exact reason because it glares off it. But I wanted to see what you thought of this camera when it comes to doing like filming for like my normal YouTube videos, because sometimes I just kind of want to come on and chat some rubbish to you and just be like, hey girl, what's going on? Or get ready with me for work without having to set up like my big camera and like rearrange my room and do all that palaver kind of thing. So I wanted to know what you thought of this little camera that I've got. This is what I've been using to film my declutter videos and stuff, because I think I might start trying some of my makeup tutorials, or like more of like my just want to sit down and chat videos. Like I'd love to film some of my hauls like this and not be as like set up and like polished and stuff. I think it just feels a bit more raw and just like normal, like you just sat in my room with me kind of thing. As you can tell, I need to clean all my shit up behind me. See what it's like when, because I've got my little laptop in front of me. But my, actually weirdly enough, I think the warm light looked better. Does that look a bit too blue? I don't know if there's like looks really blue. Get the warm light on. Just put like my big light on for my dressing table kind of thing. But yeah, I wanted to, one, tell you to sort yourselves out and book your smearing if you haven't already, if you like me and procrastinate, and 2, to see what you think of, we'll definitely do the lighting a lot better, and obviously I'll see what it looks like when I edit it, because yeah, I always like to suss that out anyway before I film proper videos. But I just wanted to see what you thought. Show my face. Let me know down below, do you want to see my filming drawers first or my skincare drawer? But yeah, I miss doing vlogs and I miss chatting to you, and I feel like because it is officially getting super sorry I keep fiddling with my hair, but because it is getting to that stage now where it's getting to cozy season, that's when I want to film loads because I'm in the house and yeah, I just love the vibe. My hair's really annoying me. But what else do I want to tell you? Oh, I recently bought, I might actually try it tonight, you know, now that my hair's like freshly washed but not really like styled. I got this Brushworks heatless curling scrunchie. I do actually have it in my little box of my makeup haul that I want to show you, but I might actually try this tonight and see. I mean, technically I have just showed you. So this is what it looks like. That's so strange, isn't it? I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. So I think you put that round your bobble, put it on there, and then you wrap your hair around that, and then you take the other side of the scrunchie and then wrap it on, and then that kind of locks it in place. I'll see how I get on with that tonight. Do you know what I also recently bought as well, which I've been dying to show you and dying to try? Like, this is why I want to see if this camera works and like what you think about it, because the thing is, with stuff like this, like Jordan's lip kit, I would have filmed this like getting ready for work one morning. Like I could have so easily have quickly filmed a video and like shot it up. but I couldn't bother getting our camera out. So I've been thinking, if you like this, you'll get more content out with me. And what's really good is with this camera, I can also film TikTok. So I think I'm going to start doing little TikToks, YouTube shorts and stuff. Because my YouTube shorts that I've posted recently, which have just been like ones in drafts that I just wanted to get rid of, have done really well, like really well. So yeah, so fucking excited. I literally haven't even opened it because I wanted to open it with you first. I'm so excited. I also have in here, which is, again, like, there's so much exciting stuff that I've bought and I've just been hoarding to show you that I haven't even got around to trying them properly myself. Like, I got quite a few of the Huda lip stains, which I actually did try one of them. I also did try this, which was unbelievable, like so good. But I also have like Huda Easy Bake in here that I haven't tried. Maybe I did try once actually, I don't know. I've got like a Kiko box, I've got like Fenty, I've got like a Galan lipstick because I'm a bougie gal. Bougie gal. If you know me from back in the day, like back, because I've been doing YouTube on and off for forever, since I was 16. I thought Blake was going to come inside. He might in a minute. Normally comes in and is like, is it bedtime? And then gets me to try and have it early night because I'm a nightmare for it. But yeah, if you've been watching me for forever, I've been on YouTube since I was 16, like on and off. I'm now 30. I used to work for Glam, like on a makeup cabinet, like a makeup gal. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to do my film and draws or my skincare declutter, and let me know ASAP Rocky, so then I know what I'm doing. And let me know what you think of this camera. And the camera thing's more important than tell me what video to film. I can pick that myself, but I need to know what you think of the cameras. Oh, and I'm just looking because my phone just lit up. And on a video, I can't remember who it was that commented, but I will reply to the comment when I get around to replying to my comments. Somebody commented saying about getting the clear lids for my MAC lipsticks when I was like my lipstick drawer declutter. And I forgot they even existed because that was like a throwback to like years ago. So thank you so much. I've ordered them and it just says, I've just got a thing on Amazon there saying it's arriving the 10th of September because I bought the by Algary ones, which I still don't know if I pronounced that right. But what a throwback that is as well, as if that even still exists. Like I used to want so much of their organising stuff before, but I can get it on Amazon and I literally didn't have to pay for, even though it's coming from the US, not have to pay for postage or anything because I've got Amazon Prime. So, buzzing, 10th of September that'll come. When they come, I will obviously show you. I definitely need to do something with this hair. I will show you when it comes, and that's going to be a game changer to actually be able to open them drawers and see all the colours of MAC lipsticks. Oh, I'm just so excited.
Bedtime.
Okay. Just like clockwork. That was Blake, and open the door going, bedtime. It's now bedtime. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love in the recent videos. How has this turned into a 10-minute video? I can talk like there's no tomorrow. It's so bad. Thank you so much. Love you so much. And I'll see you Wednesday for another video. Oh, sorry, I just hit you. Bye.